Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the most efficient path. Choose one weapon per class and begin its mastery. Load attachments that speed aim and reduce recoil. This makes consistent headshots and multi-kills possible. Focus on modes that grant the most weapon XP, play Warzone or core multiplayer sessions, and time sessions during double XP weekends. Once done, track progress toward camos and prioritize challenges that unlock faster. Keep rotating weapons only when a mastery step is complete, so you don't slow overall progression. Now you move into the grind where strategy matters. Focus on specific camo tasks like long shots, weapon-specific multi-kills, and attachment-free kills, because completing those unlocks many subsequent patterns. Use contracts, buy stations, and loadout drops to get your favorite attachments and respawn or redeploy faster. This keeps momentum. Play with a coordinated squad so you can bait enemies into predictable fights, which increases multi-kill chances and preserves your weapon XP rhythm. Make micro-adjustments to playstyle when it finish by completing the last specific tasks. Ensure every weapon has its required kills, long shots, and specialist challenges done. Once those show complete, open Gunsmith and redeem the camo for each weapon, then validate in your locker and a Warzone lobby to see it applied. If a camo doesn't unlock, first clear game cache and restart the client, check server status and your connection, then re-log in. If it still fails, capture clips and contact support with timestamps. That resolves most final issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.